Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the Android benchmark test in the iQOO Z5 after the latest Android 12 update. Yes friends, just a couple of hours back I did receive the Android 12 update in this iQOO Z5. Let me just show you exactly. As you can clearly see, iQOO Z5 with the Android 12 update which is running at this moment exactly. As you can clearly see friends. Let's see what will be the Android benchmark score after this recent latest update in the iQOO Z5 with this Android 12. So first let me need to clear this live wallpaper which I don't want to use during this process of testing. I'll try to use just normal wallpaper only, and all the connectivity, everything is completely turned off. No Wi-Fi, no mobile data, nothing is turned on at this moment. Let me need to open the Android benchmark test application and let me show you what is the scores. So overall the scores. So right now let's check out the temperatures in the iQOO Z5. What's happening right now? It's about 35 degrees Celsius, 34.6 degrees Celsius, front and back. So overall it's kind of maintaining 35 degrees Celsius in the iQOO Z5 during this process of testing in this device. Let's see friends, overall what will happen with the highest temperatures. I think the highest was only 35 degrees Celsius during this process of testing in this iQOO Z5 device. And I'm going to be back after some time just to check with the temperatures what's going on in this device. Right now it's 88%. Let's see after some time how much it will be the scores. So after the Android 12, can it increase any kind of benchmark scores or not? We'll try to find out. So right now we're reaching end of the benchmark test results, and let's check out the temperatures again. 34 degrees Celsius. I think this is the final stage of Android benchmark test in the iQOO Z5. So after that we'll be able to see the results exactly what's happening in this phone. So can this cross previous highest score? 566 I think is the highest in the iQOO Z5 before. So will this phone cross that 566 mark or not? So that's what I'm very curious to test in this kind of demonstration. Right now we'll be able to understand exactly. It's of 66-70%. And we got about 5,56,000, slightly kind of decreased. That's kind of weird. As you can see, it's kind of decreased when compared with the before score. So 9,000 got less scored than before. That's a really huge decrease, friends. Let me show you the screenshot which I taken before. So this is a screenshot which I taken Android 11 and Android 12. And try to look at the CPU. CPU got decreased a lot. 7,000 got decreased, and the GPU is little bit got decreased, 1,000 only. But battery got drained only 2% right now, and before it was 3% drain in the. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this quick Android benchmark test on the iQOO Z5 after the recent Android 12 update in this iQOO Z5 device. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.